Yo, Mike, what's up, man? Not much, bro. Just chilling. What's good of you? Dude, I'm broke. I need some cheddar to buy a coffee. Got any? Man, stop being so lazy. Get a gig or something. Yeah, I tried, but I got this sketchy offer to sell sneakers. The guy says he'll pay me racks if I sell them fast. Oh, sounds shady, bro. You sure about that? I don't know. It's a low-key risk, but I need the money. Well, just be careful. You don't want to end up with a nail. Yeah, man. I hope I can make some bank today. I feel you. Just make sure you're not getting played, bro. Explanation of the weight. Chilling. Chilling means relaxing and doing nothing special. For example, I was chilling on the couch watching TV. Broke. Broke means having no money. Example, I'm so broke, I can't even buy a coffee. Cheddar. Cheddar. Slang for money. Example, I need some cheddar to pay for lunch. Lazy. Lazy. Not wanting to work or do anything. Example, stop being lazy and help me with this. Gig. Gig. A job or task. Example, I just got a new gig at a coffee shop. Sketchy. Sketchy means something that seems unsafe. Example, that guy's offer sounds a bit sketchy. Racks. Racks. Slang for a lot of money, usually in a large amount. Example, he made racks from selling sneakers. Shady. Shady. Untrustworthy. Example, that guy is shady. I don't trust him. Low-key. Low-key. A way to say something secretly. Example, it's low-key a secret that I'm working on something big. L. L means a loss or failure. Example, if this plan doesn't work out, it's a big L. Bank. Bank. A lot of money. Example, she made bank selling art. Played. Played. To be tricked or deceived. Example, I think I got played with that deal. In each lesson, I'll keep learning with you. We'll break down slang, phrasal verbs, and cool American lingo in the easiest way, most fun way. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more lessons. Let's learn together and make English fun. Peace out.